eclipses are beautiful events that enchant everyone from small children to professional astronomers. But what causes these natural phenomena? The moon has no light source of its own. It is essentially a large reflector that bounces the sun's light onto Earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon goes into the shadow of Earth, blocking the sun's rays from striking the moon. This rare event only occurs at full moon, when the sun, Earth and moon align exactly or very closely, with Earth in the middle. Lunar eclipses occur a maximum of 3 times per year. The Earth's shadow is composed of 2 cone-shaped components, one nested inside the other. The outer, or penumbral shadow, is a zone where the Earth blocks part, but not all, of the sun's rays from reaching the moon. When the moon passes through Earth's penumbral shadow, we experience a penumbral eclipse. This type of eclipse is difficult to observe, even with the use of a telescope. Occasionally, penumbral eclipses can slightly color the appearance of the moon. In contrast, the inner, or umbral shadow, is a region where the Earth blocks all direct sunlight from reaching the moon. Both partial and total eclipses pass through Earth's umbral shadow. A partial lunar eclipse occurs when only a portion of the moon passes through Earth's umbral shadow, while a total eclipse occurs when the entire moon passes through Earth's umbral shadow. During this striking event, the moon can appear anywhere from grey to orange, or even disappear in the sky. The color of a moon during a total eclipse is caused by the light of all the sunsets and sunrises that are going on Earth at that time being bent around the Earth's atmosphere and reflecting off the moon's surface. The color also depends on how much dust there is in Earth's atmosphere. Unlike a solar eclipse, which can only be viewed from a relatively small area of the world, a lunar eclipse may be viewed from anywhere on the night side of the Earth. A lunar eclipse lasts for a few hours. Also, unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses are safe to view without any eye protection, as they are actually dimmer than the full moon itself. A spectacular series of 4 total eclipses are predicted to occur, one after the other, from April 15, 2014 to September 28, 2015.
Then, in 17th century Italy, the astronomer Galileo Galilei did something unprecedented. He built a telescope and he pointed it at the night sky. One of the many groundbreaking discoveries that Galileo made with his telescopes was that the planet Jupiter appeared to be host to 4 moons of its own. The first direct evidence that not everything revolved around the Earth. Our place in the cosmos was no longer special. Our place in the cosmos was no longer special. In this new model, the planets orbited around the Sun, and this meant for the Sun and stars to move across the sky, the Earth must be rotating. Here is a clear example of how science works. Scientists use models that can explain what we see and experience, models that can predict how things will behave in the future. If a new model can better explain what we see, then it replaces the old.